How's it going, guys? So today it's a new day for me. Probably it's a new day for you guys as well. I don't know. I'm recording this video for the second time because the first time it's okay, but not really. And the same time, the LEDs that I put in didn't really work. So basically, take number 2. So this is what we're gonna do. Well, I guess I should have started with, we're gonna upgrade the headlights on my Mercedes-Benz GL 450 because this originally came with a halogen bulbs, and I'm retrofitting an LED light bulb. So this light bulb on Amazon is the #1 top seller. Everybody have those. I don't know. So we're gonna find out if this is gonna work. This specific LED light bulb came with this little box on the side. This little guy right there. This box, it's supposed to be a CAN bus compatible, or on simple language, that will be, we will stop seeing an error on the dashboard. Because right now I have a CAN bus. I have the same box, but it's separately, and I'm still getting an error, and I'm still losing my lights. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put a link down below if you guys want to get whatever you want to get from Amazon. I'll put these lights if you guys want to get them. And there is one more thing. When you guys are retrofitting LED light bulbs for the H7, which this is the type of a light bulb that I have on my car, it's a H7. We need to have this little metal clip that needs to be bought separately. Actually, let me show you what am I talking about. So it comes like instructions, kind of like that. This is instructions from the one that I'm replacing right now. But basically, it's this clip for me, this L4 clip, and I'm gonna show you in a little bit. But yeah, I guess I could have get the L5 because they look the same. But yeah, either way. So this is the clip that it works for me. That doesn't really 100% mean that's gonna work for you guys. For this particular vehicle, with the setup that I have, this is the clip, the extra adapter that I need to use basically. So for you guys need to check your the back of your light and see which one is gonna work. But yeah, let's stop mumbo dumbo and jumbo. Let me show you. First thing, you guys don't need to drop your tire. Just heads up, I'm doing it because it's easier to get the camera inside and show you. So first thing first, I need to get the light. Boom, now we have light. Yeah. Now, like I said, I dropped I lifted the car, I jacked up the car, and I removed the tire, so it's easier to get the camera. But you guys can do it without removing the tire. So right underneath your fender, there is this little door, and then this little clip. So we get this little pry tool, and we wiggle like that. Just be careful, and then boom, comes straight out just like that. So there you go, fender, you guys can see it. Boom. Next, this little door comes up and then drops down. Super easy. Then behind it, you guys can see you have the door, and that was my air suspension. I kind of freaked out, not gonna lie. Okay, how you call it, backwards on the clockwise, pop it out. I have this little hole right here, which is a 7/8 hole for ventilation, and then this is a sponge from the dollar store. It's $1, and I glue it with a super glue. You guys don't need to do that. I did it for ventilation purposes and all of that. Yeah, I don't know, this is like, if you guys want to do it, do it. If you guys don't do it. This is what I did, and I'm stupid, so yeah, let's put it that way. Okay, next, the light bulb is there. You guys can see it, and then I have this CAN bus right there, the box that I was telling you about right there. So let me see how I can set up you guys here so you guys can see what I'm actually doing. Okay guys, so you guys can see absolutely everything what is happening. Now I need to undo my light first, And to do it, let's see, it might come out. With the clip, it might not come out. And I think it comes out with the clip. Yep, there you go. So I have the clip attached to the LED itself, to the light bulb itself. To be able to move it, twist, 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 and it just comes out, just like that. So this light bulb, it didn't work because I had this canvas, and then this was supposed to be come with a canvas inside of it and everything, so you shouldn't have a problem. But I think because I have a canvas and a canvas and that, and then yeah, and obviously this, you cannot plug this to here, so yeah, it's obviously this light bulb is not gonna work. So this is gonna be sent back to Amazon because it's not working for me. Now this is the clip that I was telling you about, guys, that you guys need to buy separately. I will look up this clip on Amazon and I'll put a link down below if you guys need that clip, you know, to get it. So just heads up. But again, like I said, this clip, it might not work for your situation, so you guys need to verify that, because obviously there is a bunch of little other clips, I guess, seems like it, obviously. Okay, now I need to cut my zip tie right there, my old zip tie, and remove my old canvas. There you go. And now this is out. Okay, next let's grab the light bulb. Okay, we have this new light bulb. I'm gonna show you the clip and everything, how it's gonna work out, but right now let's first see if this is gonna work. So this should just plug in like that, and let's see if this is gonna turn on. Okay, so now you guys let me know if this is gonna work, because obviously I'm gonna be able to see it. Oh yeah, okay, it's working, so that's good. Okay guys, always check before you start putting it, because it's a really tricky situation. So yeah, okay, now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do the rest of it. Okay guys, my wires are a little bit baked on this side, so you have to put some tape and zip ties, so that's good. Now this is your light bulb. Now we need to take out this washer, I guess you can call it. I believe it's supposed to go this way. Yeah, there you go. So just twist and it comes out, and again, remember which side needs to go out and in. So this is my outside. Now this is the clip. We need to align the clip, this side with this side, right there. Actually do that. Oh my gosh, I have a feeling that now this light bulb's not gonna work because it's too big. Okay, let's verify that. Actually nope, it looks pretty good. I guess it's just my clip here. But so essentially this clip right there, this flat part, and then this flat part, that needs to match right there, just like that. Oh, what am I doing? Yeah, this is this way. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm just a retard. So let me show again. So we have this part, just like that. This can only zoom in. Okay, there you go. And then this piece right there, this way, boom, they need to meet like that. And then flat piece needs to be with the other flat piece on the top, just like that. Now remember, this flat piece needs to be kinda in this angle, like that, so you can put it in and then twist it, and then this and this side, these two clips are gonna lock it into place. So let's fast forward it a little bit, because for me it's gonna be a struggle. So let's see. Okay guys, I hope you guys can see it. Oh, of course. So hope you guys can see the clip, how it's locked in place. Shouldn't move at all, should be nice and sturdy. You guys see that right in there. And now we're gonna get our LED. Oh, where is the LED? Right there. Then we have these two little prongs on the side. We need to align it and then twist it until we get this LED at 90 degrees. So the cable should be either facing down or either facing up. So let's see how are we gonna be able to do that. Let's push all the wires back as much as we can. I mean back on the inside I'm talking about. Okay, I think we got it. Let me turn on the headlights again and let's line the front. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you what pattern am I getting. So yeah, you guys can see what you guys may expect, or maybe you guys gonna like it, maybe you guys not gonna like it. So yeah, let's see. Okay guys, this is it right there. Right now the car is a little bit on uphill because it's jacked up, but basically this is what you guys are gonna see on your end. And then one more thing, let me show you on the actual headlight itself. So I hope you guys can see that pattern right there. So it's gonna be, you know, one dark spot in the middle and then one hot spot and a hot spot on both sides. So that's because, you know, the LED itself, you know, doesn't have a light right in the middle because it splits in the middle basically like that. So that's why you have that line right there, because of that, you know, this front piece right there. So yeah, I'll see if I like that. If I don't, then I'm gonna look for HIDs, and then I'm gonna have to make another video for the HIDs, or maybe just update this one down in the description explaining you which type of HIDs I used or not. But yeah, right now I'm gonna try those and see how, you know, good this is, because right now it's actually pretty bright, I'm not gonna lie. This looks pretty good, so we'll see. And then let me show you on the inside as well. Your light needs to be, your LED needs to be between 9 and 3 o'clock. So that means 9 and 3 on the LED side. But you know, this wire in the back needs to point either at 6 o'clock or 12. So right now on my, I put it where it's facing 6 o'clock. So let me show you what I mean by 6 o'clock. So right there, hope you guys can see that, but right there you guys see how the wire is coming straight down, and that's pointing 6 o'clock. 12 o'clock is up, 6 o'clock is down. So I took the wires in, basically that's it. Now we just need to close the cover, and I'm pretty sure you guys can figure that out, but let me show you that real quick, I guess, just in case. So this cover, you put it in right there and then turn clockwise, boom, and there you go. Now it's closed. Now this piece again, we need to line the top and bottom, then push down until it clips. Then this little piece as well on the bottom, and push it in, boom, and there you have it, guys. Whew, I think I got a dirt in my face, but boom. Now this guy is done. Now I need to do this guy on this end, and yeah, see how everything, you know, goes when we get out. Let me swap that one and I'll take you for a ride so you guys can see how it looks in the dark. Okay guys, so we are out and about. So let me show you how are those LEDs work, or how much light they're producing in the real world. Let me show you. Okay, so I'll go in a dark spot-ish, which should be like right there. So there you go. So actually, yeah, that's pretty good, I think. Let me see if I can get in like a super dark spot where there's like no lights, no anything, so you guys can really see the difference. But I really actually am surprised, you know, how good they are. So right there on the far end, there you go, you guys can see now it's like super dark, and this is just my headlights right there. So long high beams, then it's low high beams, low beams. Actually, this is pretty good. I'm amazed. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm amazed. You guys can see it's pretty good. So let me turn the lights on. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to smash the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the like button, and the most important thing is let me know down in the comments what do you guys think. If you guys decided to go LEDs, or if you guys decided not to go LEDs, or yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know if you guys are gonna try those lights or not. But yeah, for right now, I think I'm gonna drive with them for a little bit, see if I like it or not, and if I don't, I'll let you guys know down in the comments. So I'll put a link down below for you guys, so you guys can see, so you guys have, you know, pretty much an easy links for the lights, for the clips, and for all of the tools that I used in this video. So yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.